Do you know the difference between a captive and a non-captive insurance agency? My name is Mary Harris, the insurance sales queen, and I'm here to provide insights, answer questions, and help you build your insurance career with confidence. A captive insurance agency, I always think exclusive. They are exclusively themselves. Your State Farms, your Allstates, your Farmers Insurance. Wonderful companies, actually. I have worked with two out of the three of those guys. They have phenomenal training programs. They are, if you are at the agent side, they are independent, agency owned. One of the main benefits of being with a captive agency is that you represent that company. You've got their swag, their jackets, their umbrellas, as an example. You truly represent that company. When you are non-captive, you're not necessarily representing the company as much as you are representing the policyholder, right? So putting it through a rating system, seeing which companies return the best. Where can we puzzle piece our policies together? So if someone writes their policy with Safeco, Progressive, or Travelers, and they've mixed and matched, that's okay too, because it's all in the same office. It's all collected. Okay. If you are non-captive or looking into non-captive, these are going to be your brokerages. Traditionally, our brokerages have what's called a rating system. So they'll pop all the information in there, driver's license number, VIN number, and it's going to process through. These rating systems will tell me which companies are coming back with the best rates based on the information I provided. Now, I will have to go into each individual system, rate it out, run the motor vehicle reports, run the loss history reports, and then it's going to come back and let me know what the premium will be, what their offer will be. When I am working with a captive agency, I'm going to collect the same amount of information. The process is the same. The difference is I'm only going to come back with numbers from that company. So remember, as you're building your insurance career, not all agents stay where they started. Sometimes there's a shuffle there. Sometimes there's an upgrade. But if you are finding things are really not working out where you are and you need a little bit of help looking around, something I'm happy to do, there is a seeking employment package on the website. So it is rocking and ready to go, complete with interview questions and overcoming objections. So things that I think every agent should practice and know. So again, traditionally, I don't like to use names in these videos, but for the purposes of this video, it is important to know who is captive, who is non-captive, and why it is important to your career. If you are within your first year in the industry, hello and welcome. Please don't be shy. Like, subscribe. It certainly helps me out as a creator. And of course, you are welcome to join my friends on Facebook, the Insurance Sales Queen, New Agent Support. If you need help finding the job, I do have a seeking employment package up on the website, theinsurancesalesqueen.com. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.